We have to think before cooking things that maybe might not be sustainable, I say that eating is an act of activism, and we have to go there,
The restaurant industry is extremely challenging and a lot of hard work and not a lot of profit. And so it's a little bit counterintuitive to think that chefs in restaurants could be part of the solution from a financial standpoint. But what is important about it is chefs can lend their cultural capital and their ability to influence significant cultural change.
We are here to get ideas and thoughts about how we can do better tomorrow. Deliciousness is about love, flavor, and taste, that connection. Otherwise, it won't give any meaning to us.
Pre-Hispanic cultures used to leave some of the fruit to the earth. You'd never pick the entire season, but you always left something for the gods.
¿Cómo es posible que lo que más contamina sea más barato? ¿Cómo es posible que lo que peor alimenta sea más barato que lo que alimenta?
Sustainability is more than a matter of ingredients. For me, imagining a sustainable future means to look back to my tradition, to our traditions, and pushing it forward through imagination, creativity, intuition, and culture.
We have become indoctrinated from childhood and addicted to salt and sugar and all the values of fast, cheap, and easy.
On our farm, our menu is completely driven by what comes to the farm, not the other way around. We serve what the farm grows.
And the more flavor-rich something is, if you're talking, again, 2 apples, 2 carrots, the more nutrients it's going to have.
Creamos un espacio donde el lema era que en ese espacio no íbamos a cocinar para nuestros clientes, íbamos a cocinar para tener un futuro mejor.
Drawdown solutions are actually food and agriculture. So I think that's a moment for us in the food industry to take that flag.
We're faced with hunger and malnutrition. Obesity rates are growing across the globe, and we're overpackaging food that's contributing to oceans full of plastic. And the list goes on. But we designed ourselves into this current state. Surely that means we can use design to get ourselves out of this current state.
Preserving knowledge, particularly traditional knowledge, is critical. It's in itself an act of sustainability.
And 6 years ago, I left the kitchen because I didn't want to work in that environment anymore. And instead, I wanted to have a hand in shaping the industry and building a better one.
All of us here are committed to removing the barriers that exist and to build the tools to empower others. It will be impossible for our communities and for our cities to continue to thrive.
And we can teach. That's about information and education. We need to provide information and education to people can understand what they can do in their home.
What we want to do together today is hopefully just close this and have you guys think about sustainability as a whole, just not one piece of it. Climate change is holistic, but sustainability as a whole, not in that, and that like systems that are resilient, forests that are vibrant are ones where everybody is thriving.
There's something powerful happening here. I feel like we are responsible for bringing back the light. We are not just going to talk, okay? We are going to act.